Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn English Fast podcast. I'm Mike.
And I'm Jessica. Mike, I have to tell you what happened to me yesterday.
Oh, what happened?
So I went to a networking event, right? And this nice person came up to me and said, "Hi, tell me about yourself."
Classic opening line?
I know, but my mind just went blank. I stood there like, I'm Jessica.
Oh no, that awkward silence moment.
Exactly. And later I was like, why didn't I prepare something? You know?
I totally get it. That's why today we're teaching everyone how to introduce yourself in English, confidently and naturally.
Yes. Because whether it's a job interview, a party, or meeting someone new, you need to know how to talk about yourself.
And it's not just about saying your name. There's an art to it.
Right. So let's start with the basics. Mike, what's the very first thing you say when you meet someone?
Well, I usually start with a simple greeting. Hi, I'm Mike. Or hello, my name is Mike.
Perfect. And notice the difference. I'm Mike is casual and friendly. My name is Mike is a bit more formal.
Good point. So if you're at a party, hi, I'm Mike works great. But in a job interview, hello, my name is Mike sounds more professional.
Love that. Okay, so you've said your name. What comes next?
Usually you'd add something about what you do, like I'm a teacher or I work in marketing.
Right. And here's a tip. Don't just say the job title. Add a little detail to make it interesting.
Ooh, like what?
Instead of I'm a teacher, you could say I'm an English teacher, and I love helping people improve their speaking skills.
Ah, that's way better. It gives the person something to ask about.
Exactly. It's like you're opening a door for conversation.
So what if someone doesn't have a job, like students or people looking for work?
Great question. Students can say, I'm a student at Harvard University. You can say your university's name. Or, I'm studying engineering.
And if you're between jobs?
You can say, I'm currently looking for opportunities in architecture, or I'm exploring new career paths.
That sounds professional. Okay, so we have name and what you do. What else should we include?
Well, where you're from is usually a good one. I'm from Canada, or I'm originally from Brazil, but I live in New York now.
Oh, I like that. Originally from is such a natural phrase.
It is, and people love asking follow-up questions about your hometown.
True, like, oh, what's it like there? Or have you been back recently?
Exactly. So now let's talk about hobbies or interests. This is where you can really show your personality.
Right. Instead of just listing facts, you want to sound like a real person, not a robot.
Ha! Yes, so you might say, in my free time I love hiking, or I'm really into photography.
I'm really into is such a cool phrase. It means you're passionate about something.
Totally. Or you can say, I enjoy cooking, or I'm a big fan of science fiction movies.
I'm a big fan of another great expression. Okay, let's put this all together. Jess, can you give me a full introduction?
Sure. Hi, I'm Jessica. I'm a content creator, and I make videos to help people learn English. I'm originally from the US, but I've lived in a few different countries. In my free time, I love reading and trying new coffee shops.
That was perfect. Natural, friendly, and it gives me like 5 different things I could ask you about.
Right? That's the goal. You want to give just enough information to start a conversation, but not too much that you're rambling.
Oh man, rambling is the worst. I've done that before. I start talking and I can't stop.
We've all been there. The key is to keep it short and sweet. About 30 to 60 seconds is perfect.
Good rule. Okay, now what about in different situations? Like, what if someone asks, tell me about yourself in a job interview?
Good question. In a professional setting, you want to focus more on your skills and experience.
So less about hobbies, more about work stuff?
Exactly. You might say, I have 5 years of experience in marketing, and I specialize in social media strategy. I love working with creative teams to develop engaging campaigns.
Ooh, that sounds impressive. Notice you used I have experience in and I specialize in. Those are great professional phrases.
Yes, and always end with something positive about what you enjoy in your work.
What about in a casual setting, like a party?
Then you can be more relaxed and fun. Maybe mention something unique or interesting about yourself.
Like, I'm learning how to play the guitar, or I just started training for a marathon.
Perfect. Those are conversation starters. People will ask, "Oh, how's the guitar going?" or "When's the marathon?"
I love it. Okay, let's talk about some common mistakes people make when introducing themselves.
Oh, yes. Mistake number 1, giving too much information. You don't need to tell your whole life story in the first minute.
Ha! So true. Keep it brief and let the conversation flow naturally.
Mistake number 2, speaking too fast because you're nervous.
Oh, I do that. When I'm nervous, I talk super fast.
We all do. But remember to breathe and take your time. It's okay to pause.
Good reminder. What's mistake number 3?
Not asking the other person about themselves. Introduction should be a two-way street.
Right. After you introduce yourself, you can say, "What about you?" or "How about yourself?"
Exactly. Or, "And what do you do?" or "Where are you from?"
Those are perfect follow-up questions. Okay, let's do some practice. I'll introduce myself. You be the other person.
Let's do it.
Hi, I'm Mike. I'm a podcast host, and I help people learn English in a fun and easy way. I'm from the US, and in my spare time, I'm really into hiking and trying new restaurants. What about you?
Nice to meet you, Mike. I'm Jessica. I'm also in education. I create online courses. I love what I do because I get to be creative every day. And hiking sounds great. Do you have a favorite trail?
See how natural that was? We introduced ourselves, shared a bit about our work and interests, and already found something in common.
That's the magic. When you give good details in your introduction, the conversation flows easily.
All right, let's quickly review the key phrases we learned today.
Starting, "Hi, I'm Jessica," or "Hello, my name is Jessica."
What you do? I'm a teacher. Or I work in hospital. I'm studying art.
Where you're from? I'm from Australia. Or I'm originally from Ireland.
Hobbies. In my free time, I play guitar. I'm really into hiking. I enjoy cooking.
Professional. I have experience in marketing. Or I specialize in finance.
And don't forget to ask, what about you? How about yourself?
Perfect summary. Now here's homework for our listeners.
Ooh, homework. I love it.
Write down your own introduction in English, about 30 to 60 seconds. Then practice saying it out loud.
And try it in front of a mirror. It might feel weird at first, but it really helps build confidence.
So true. The more you practice, the more natural it becomes.
And remember, everyone feels a little nervous when meeting new people. That's totally normal.
Absolutely. Just be yourself, smile, and don't worry about being perfect.
Your English doesn't have to be perfect. As long as you're communicating and connecting with people, you're doing great.
Beautifully said. All right, everyone, that's it for today. Thanks for learning with us.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this podcast with anyone who's learning English.
And leave a comment. Introduce yourself to us. We'd love to meet you.
Great idea. Tell us your name, what you do, and one fun fact about yourself.
See you in the next episode.
Keep practicing, keep learning. Bye, everyone.